Guys, anybody in Ireland, the UK, whatever, just trust me on this. There's a lot of clinics, know what I mean? It's like tattooing in Ireland. It's not regulated. Over here, there's a lot of cowboys that are literally just putting advertisements up there saying they'll do this, do that, and people are falling into it. And to be honest, before I was coming over here, I was like, oh, what am I going to do if it's this or it's that? But Hairmedico is literally phenomenal. It's like they just put the rest of the clinics out there that come up as top 5, supposedly. Dr. Arslan and his team in Hairmedico are literally by far up there. I can't express how good the experience, the 3 or 4 days I've been here, has been amazing. Asma has been on the phone to me day and night, making sure I'm okay. The pure care, the professionalism, everything has just been phenomenal. Like, if you Google clinics in Istanbul, trust me, you're going to be Googling for hours and hours and hours and hours. You're going to think, oh, this is great, this is amazing. Oh, this. The problem is, people think that you're going and you're going to have the doctor doing your surgery. A lot of these clinics don't do it. They have the 2 nurses or the 2 technicians doing the surgery. The doctor just goes in, shakes your hand, takes your money and walks out the door. Dr. Arslan is there from the start to the end, right the whole way through. I cannot express how good Hairmedico and Dr. Arslan is. Only phenomenal. I mean, spread the word, because the review man are right. I'm not going to write reviews, I never had about reviews, but